What's up guys? George, you're watching Retro GT. Today I got a new video for you. Today I am bringing something slightly different than what I usually do. I'm going back to the fog lights. So you guys probably have already seen my video on the fog lights that I switched out 2 years ago, last year, I can't remember now. I switched them out with some ALLA lighting fog lights. Since I've had them, I have had to replace them twice. One time, both of them randomly kind of went out. I thought I had some wiring issues. I ended up just buying a new set, plugging them in, and they lit up. I don't know what happened there. Thought, okay, maybe something weird happened, okay. Well, recently, my driver's side one went out. So I decided, instead of continuing to buy these, I'm going to try something new. So I went out and got these. These are from Sealight, and they might be just a little bit more pricier compared to these, but not by a whole lot, maybe a few bucks. I decided to go with these because I want to try something different. I'm hoping maybe these will last longer. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I honestly just feel like I want to change it up, and maybe if you guys watched my video and decided to buy these, you're having the same issue. So let's work this out together. Maybe these will be the solution. Mostly what I'm looking for is whether these are going to throw a code or not. These did not, so that's why I liked them, and that's why I bought them again. I've seen mixed reviews on these where some of them had codes, some of them did not, so I guess we're gonna find out together. I'm also gonna throw this out here. Diode Dynamic makes some fog lights as well. They are way more expensive than both of these, probably even combined, to be honest. But they're supposed to be top tier. Maybe I'll get to that point, we'll see. But today, I'm not doing an install. I'm just gonna do a comparison between these and see which ones are actually better. So I'm going to quickly throw one on and we'll compare them visually with the other ones. Let's do this. Okay, just by looking at them, these are the new ones. They're pretty big and round compared to the old ones. The old ones are the flat versus these are actually big and round. So I'm kind of concerned these aren't going to fit in the first place, but we'll give them a try. Let me plug it in and we'll see what the two differences are. Okay, I just plugged it in. It actually fits. Looks like it's lighting up. They look pretty bright. For it being daylight, it still looks pretty bright. Now that is the new one. That is the old one. You can, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person, I don't think these are as bright. Oh yeah, these are definitely brighter. Here in a little bit, I will insert a night clip of what it looks like at night. Now, the most important thing of it all, is there a code? It looks like that is a big NO. No code is being thrown with this light on. Perfect. Well, as you guys can tell from the video, the lights don't look a whole lot different at night. Unless you're actually looking at it straight on, you can tell that the new ones from Sealight are a little brighter. Overall, they're not bad. We'll just see how long the Sealights last me before I have to change them out. I think I covered what I wanted. We're gonna see how long these Sealights last. Maybe I'll do another update on these lights later if I start having issues. But if not, maybe we'll look into those Diode Dynamic lights. But that's the end of this video. I will link my original fog light video right here. Check it out if you want. That's where I did the install. That's why I didn't do it today, because I already did it once. If you guys want to know how to install it, right there. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Suggest anything you want. We'll look into it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.